If you've ever dreamed of running a real business from your garage, this video is for you. We're covering 15 powerful machines from China, compact, affordable, and designed to generate revenue. Each one turns simple materials into products people are already buying. Let's jump in. Water jet cutter machine. If you're looking to dominate the fabrication industry, the water jet cutter machine is your ticket in. It's a compact powerhouse that uses ultra-high pressure water mixed with abrasive particles to slice through metal, stone, and even glass with surgical precision, all while maintaining the integrity of the material. This machine is engineered for extreme versatility. Whether you're working with carbon steel, marble, ceramic, or bulletproof glass, this tool can handle it all without generating heat, which means zero warping and no structural distortion. It's equipped with a 3-axis or even a 5-axis system, which allows for multi-dimensional cutting, perfect for producing complex parts for aerospace, automotive, and architecture industries. Setup is straightforward. Load your CAD design, place the material on the grid, and let the high-pressure stream carve it with astonishing detail. You don't need an advanced factory, just a small shop space and standard power. Starting at around $3,000, the machine can command top dollar for precision cuts. With just a few contracts from local manufacturers, artists, or construction suppliers, your initial investment could be returned within a few weeks. Additionally, the demand for custom fabrication is only increasing, making this one of the most intelligent machines for service-based entrepreneurs.
Seed packaging machine. In agriculture, presentation and preservation matter. That's where the seed packaging machine comes in. A fully automated unit that weighs, fills, and seals seed packets with pinpoint accuracy. Whether it's wheat, corn, vegetables, or specialty flours, this machine packages seeds quickly and consistently, giving even the smallest farm the polish of a commercial operation. Here's how it works. You load the seeds and pre-made pouches into the machine. It then uses precise weighing sensors to portion each pack, fills it, and seals it airtight, all without manual interference. The result? Uniform, moisture-proof seed packets that are shelf-ready. It's ideal for small agribusinesses, seed suppliers, and nursery operators. With rising demand for heirloom and organic seeds, especially via e-commerce, there's never been a better time to package and sell your own seed line. Priced between $4,700 and $5,300, this machine can output up to 30 pouches per minute. Even at a modest profit margin of 50 cents per pack, you're looking at over $7,000 in monthly profit. Add in branding and custom packaging, and this setup quickly scales into a high-return operation that fits inside a single garage. Sugar coating machine. If you've ever enjoyed a shiny candy-coated almond or chocolate peanut, chances are it passed through a sugar coating machine, and now, so can your profits. This compact machine transforms plain nuts into glossy, flavorful, shelf-ready products with just a few ingredients and a bit of heat. The process is simple yet effective. Pour in your nuts, like peanuts, cashews, or almonds, add sugar or syrup, and activate the rotating drum. As the drum spins and heats, the sugar adheres evenly, creating a consistent coating that hardens into a sweet shell. A 180-degree dumping feature makes unloading quick and easy. This machine is a go-to for snack manufacturers, dry fruit vendors, confectionery brands, and gourmet food shops. Coated snacks are incredibly popular and have high repeat customer rates. With quality ingredients and proper packaging, your product line can stand out both locally and online. The machine weighs around 12 kilograms and starts at just $1,280, making it one of the most affordable ways to enter the snack game. It can coat several kilograms of nuts in a single cycle, bringing in potential profits of over $100 per day or more if sold in premium packaging. Vegetable slicing machine. In the fast-paced world of food service, speed and consistency matter, and that's where the vegetable slicing machine shines. This multifunctional powerhouse slices, dices, and chops vegetables and fruits with factory-level precision, all while saving hours of manual labor. Here's how it works. Simply feed your produce, potatoes, onions, carrots, cucumbers, or fruits, into the hopper. High-speed rotating blades do the rest, creating perfectly uniform slices, cubes, or julienne cuts depending on your chosen setting. This This not only saves time, but ensures your products look professional and cook evenly. The machine is automatic, handling up to 600 kilograms of output per hour, depending on the type of cut. It's built for central kitchens, catering businesses, restaurant suppliers, and food processors looking to scale up without hiring additional staff. It's compact enough for a commercial kitchen and powerful enough for bulk orders. The unit is priced around $1,048, making it a solid investment with high returns. Whether you're packaging ready-to-cook vegetable mixes or supplying fresh-cut produce to local grocers, this machine ensures consistency, hygiene, and speed. Hot roll laminating machine. Lamination isn't just about protection, it's about presentation. The hot roll laminating machine adds that sleek, professional finish to printed materials that makes everything look premium. From posters and menus to business cards and book covers. Here's how it works. Your printed material and lamination film are fed into two heated rollers. These rollers apply pressure and heat, bonding the film to the surface of the paper. The result is a perfectly sealed, smooth finish that's resistant to moisture, scratches, and everyday wear and tear. There are no bubbles, no wrinkles, just flawless results every time. This machine is ideal for a range of businesses, including print shops, advertising agencies, schools, packaging firms, and event planners. It accepts both gloss and matte films and can laminate various sizes of paper, cardstock, and even some plastics. Compact and easy to operate, it fits comfortably in small workspaces. With a price tag between $300 and $800, it's a low-cost entry point into value-added printing services. Lamination increases the perceived value of printed goods, making it a high-margin upsell for any business. Whether you're preserving menus for a cafe or enhancing product tags, this machine turns basic prints into lasting impressions. Mini injection molding machine. When it comes to creating small plastic parts, nothing beats the mini injection molding machine. It's compact, efficient, and packs the same punch as large-scale industrial machines, just scaled down for your workshop or garage. This machine melts plastic pellets, then injects the liquid plastic into a mold to create a solid, custom-shaped item. Whether you're making buttons, plastic cases, phone holders, or components for electronics, it delivers high precision and repeatability. The best part, the whole cycle from melting to molding is fast, with outputs ranging between 100 to 300 units per hour, depending on the size and complexity of the mold. The raw materials used are thermoplastics like ABS, PE, or PP, all widely available and cost-effective. With one operator, you can run a consistent semi-automated process with minimal training. Pricing ranges from $3,000 to $5,000, making it a relatively low-risk investment for small-scale manufacturers. Target customers include local repair shops, small product developers, hobbyist suppliers, and even schools or prototyping services. The rising demand for customizable plastic products and rapid prototyping makes this machine a smart addition to any micro-manufacturing setup, delivering flexibility, speed, and real profits from day one. Mug heat press machine. If you're aiming to turn creativity into cash, the Mug heat press machine is a low-cost, high-potential game changer. It's ideal for launching a custom mug printing business right from your home. The operation is simple. Print your design on sublimation paper, wrap it around a coated ceramic mug, lock it into the heater, and press. In just minutes, the design permanently transfers onto the mug with vibrant, long-lasting color. This machine works with various mug types, from standard coffee cups to travel mugs and tumblers. The cost is minimal. A reliable unit can be found between $75 to $299, depending on how many heaters or attachments it includes. Raw materials like sublimation paper, mugs, and ink are also inexpensive, keeping your overheads low. On the business side, you can sell custom mugs for $10 to $20 each. Even with just 20 mugs daily and a $5 profit margin, that's around $3,000 in monthly revenue. Perfect for gift shops, local artists, e-commerce sellers, and event planners who need branded merchandise. It fits easily on a desk, runs on standard power, and requires no special skills. Whether as a side hustle or a scalable business, it's a fast-track route into the personalized product space. Leather cutting machine. The leather cutting machine is a precise and efficient tool for entrepreneurs in the fashion and upholstery industries, especially those creating custom leather goods like wallets, belts, and bags. Compact enough for a small workshop, it brings industrial level accuracy straight to your workspace. How it works: you place a leather sheet on the cutting bed, select your design or dimensions via the control panel, and the machine precisely cuts the shape using either a sharp blade or a laser. This process produces clean, consistent edges with virtually no waste and can handle dozens to hundreds of pieces
pieces per hour depending on complexity. It's ideal for leather artisans, small manufacturers, car interior shops, and custom handbag brands. With consumer demand increasing for handcrafted and bespoke leather products, this machine allows you to scale output without sacrificing quality or increasing labor costs. Priced between $1,200 and $3,000, it's a compact investment with significant upside. Assuming you complete 100 units per day at a $2 profit margin, that's $200 daily, over $6,000 monthly, and with customization and branding, profits can go even higher. This machine runs on standard power, requires minimal operator training, and dramatically cuts production time. It's perfect for anyone looking to combine craft with efficiency and take leatherworking from hobby to profitable business. Bottle labeling machine. If you're producing anything that comes in a bottle, like juices, essential oils, cosmetics, or sauces, then a bottle labeling machine is a must-have. This compact but powerful device automates one of the most tedious parts of small-scale packaging, applying labels cleanly and consistently. Here's how it works. You load the bottles onto the feeder, load a roll of labels onto the machine, and press start. The machine peels, aligns, and applies each label with high precision. No bubbles, no wrinkles, and no more wasted time hand labeling each unit. It works with plastic, glass, or metal bottles and handles different shapes, round, square, or flat-sided. The labeling speed is impressive, 20 to 40 bottles per minute depending on size and label type. That's thousands of products ready for shelves every single day. The raw materials you'll need include label rolls, paper or plastic, and your filled bottles. Who's your customer? Think local cosmetic startups, artisanal food producers, or small beverage brands, all of whom are looking for premium branding on small batch products. Labeling adds real value, helping you charge more for each item. This machine typically costs between $1,100 and $1,200, and it pays for itself fast. It's an essential step toward professional grade product presentation and scalable production. Capsule sealing machine. Whether you're stepping into the booming wellness market or building a supplement brand, a capsule sealing machine, also known as a blister packing machine, is your ticket to professional grade packaging. This compact unit seals tablets and capsules into tamper-proof packs, just like the ones you see in pharmacies. Here's how it works. You'll load the capsules and the PVC and aluminum foil sheets. The machine then forms the blister, fills it with capsules, and seals it airtight, all in a single automated cycle. The result, packs that look clean, are fully hygienic, and extend shelf life. This machine is ideal for producing herbal capsules, vitamins, or over-the-counter meds. Its design is space efficient, about 2 meters in length, making it perfect for small workshops or home-based setups. It typically costs between $5,760 and $6,400, depending on the model and supplier. The raw materials, plastic and foil sheets, are affordable and easy to source. You can output thousands of sealed capsules per day, and with proper branding, your product can command premium pricing. The demand is already there. Health shops, pharmacies, online wellness stores, and even private label supplement brands are all customers. If you're serious about stepping into health manufacturing, this machine makes your startup both credible and profitable from day one. Laser tube cutting machine. When precision meets power, you get the laser tube cutting machine, a game changer for small fabrication shops and custom metal part producers. This compact yet industrial grade unit is built to cut round and square metal tubes with incredible accuracy and speed using high-powered fiber laser technology. Here's the magic. The machine clamps the metal tube at both ends and uses a high-intensity laser beam to slice through materials like carbon steel, stainless steel, and aluminum with precision down to a fraction of a millimeter. It supports 3-axis or 5-axis configurations, meaning you can cut flat patterns or complex 3D shapes effortlessly. The double chuck design ensures a firm grip, reducing vibration during cuts, resulting in clean edges and zero rework. It's perfect for making exhaust pipes, furniture frames, railing systems, and custom parts for the construction and automotive industries. Starting around $10,000, this machine pays for itself quickly by offering on-demand cutting services. You can take orders from industrial clients, contractors, or even create your own branded products. It fits in mid-size workshops, runs on standard electricity, and is surprisingly user-friendly thanks to its digital control system. If you want to build a business on precision engineering, this machine turns metal tubes into profit with every cut. Cone make machine. Step into the evergreen world of desserts with the cone make machine. A hot selling business tool for anyone wanting to tap into the ice cream industry. This compact machine efficiently creates crisp, golden ice cream cones, waffle cones, and other snack-style shells from batter with near zero waste. Here's how it works. Pour the prepared batter into the heating plates, close the lid, and within minutes, the machine presses and shapes the cone perfectly. It uses dual heating elements to maintain a consistent temperature, ensuring even browning and a crunchy texture every time. What makes this machine great for entrepreneurs is its simplicity and profitability. It requires minimal training, fits easily in commercial kitchens or kiosks, and can produce up to 500 cones per hour. Raw materials like flour, sugar, and oil are inexpensive, keeping costs low while demand remains high. Cone businesses thrive in cafes, ice cream parlors, food trucks, and beachside vendors. With a starting price of about $2,899 to $3,499, you could recover your investment in just a few weeks during peak summer sales. You can even brand your cones or offer wholesale supply to local vendors. With its high ROI and simple operation, the cone make machine is a no-brainer for those ready to scoop up consistent profits. Card pillow packing machine. If you're in the collectibles, greeting cards, or custom print game, the card pillow packing machine is a packaging powerhouse you don't want to miss. Designed to automate the wrapping process, this machine creates sleek, professional pillow-style plastic packaging for flat items like trading cards, game cards, and gift cards. Operation is simple. Feed the cards in the film roll into the machine, set your parameters, and let it go to work. It aligns, wraps, heat seals, and cuts each pack, producing ready-to-ship products at speeds of up to 50 packs per minute depending on size and model. What makes this machine profitable is its blend of speed, consistency, and visual appeal. The final product looks clean, tamper-proof, and shelf-ready, an essential feature for retailers and collectors who value presentation. It works with plastic films and any flat cardstock, giving you flexibility with materials. Starting around $2,150 to $2,600, this machine fits easily into small workshops or fulfillment centers and can be managed by a single operator. Whether you're packaging limited edition collectibles or running a print-on-demand greeting card shop, this machine elevates your packaging instantly. Target niche markets like Etsy sellers, board game creators, or e-commerce brands looking for that pro-level finish without high labor costs. Pallet strapping machine. For businesses handling bulk shipments, a pallet strapping machine is a serious time saver and a money maker. This fully automatic machine is designed to strap large pallets with strong polypropylene or polyester belts, securing boxes and goods for safe transportation. Here's how it works. You place the pallet under the strapping arch, press a button, and the machine wraps a strap around the load, pulls it tight using electric motors, heat seals it, and cuts it clean, all within seconds. Some models can strap dozens of pallets per hour with virtually no manual labor. The raw material, plastic strapping rolls, is cheap and widely available, and you can offer per pallet strapping services at attractive rates. It's the kind of service logistics centers, warehouses, exporters, and manufacturers always need. With prices ranging from $3,000 to $4,500 depending on automation level, the ROI is impressive. Offering strapping as a B2B service or improving your own packaging line reduces shipping damage, increases safety, and boosts efficiency. This machine doesn't just improve logistics, it creates an entire service opportunity. Perfect for scaling companies or local entrepreneurs targeting the booming e-commerce and freight industries. Mini label printer machine. Branding is everything, and with a mini label printer machine, even small businesses can create stunning professional labels that stand out. This compact digital printer produces high-resolution, full-color labels that are waterproof, scratch-resistant, and market-ready. It works by feeding blank label rolls into the machine, then printing your custom design using thermal inkjet technology at up to 1200 dpi. From product tags and barcodes stickers to cosmetic labels and food packaging, it handles it all with precision and speed. This is a plug-and-play setup. Just load your design via USB or onboard software, hit print, and watch it churn out hundreds of custom labels per hour. It supports roll-to-roll printing, so you don't even need to reload constantly. It's a game changer for private label sellers, Etsy shops, food producers, and cosmetics brands. With demand for niche and artisanal products booming, premium packaging gives you the edge. The machine costs around $500 to $5,500 and supports both small runs and bulk printing. You can offer custom label services or use it to boost your own product line's visual appeal. With minimal overhead, high speed, and massive demand, this printer doesn't just make labels, it builds brands. That wraps up our list of 15 powerful microfactory machines, each one with the potential to launch a profitable business right from your garage or small workshop. Whether it's packaging, food production, metal cutting, or labeling, these machines are tools for real, scalable income. If you're serious about turning your ideas into a thriving business, now's the time to take action. Don't just scroll. Pick the machine that fits your passion, study your market, and start small. And if you found value in this video, hit like and subscribe for more high-potential business ideas and practical guides. Which machine stood out to you? Drop a comment. We'd love to hear what you're planning to build next. Until then, stay focused, keep grinding, and turn your workspace into a money-making powerhouse.